Euphoria is finally back and season 3 promises to be darker, bolder and more shocking than ever before. With Zendaya leading an explosive new chapter, unexpected twist and high-stakes drama, fans can't stop asking who will survive the chaos this season. Let's dive into everything we know so far about Euphoria season 3. What if I told you that Euphoria season 3 is nothing like the show you remember? After years of delays, the wait is finally over and the creators are taking us on a journey that's darker, bolder and completely unhinged. Season 3 is confirmed to feature a massive 5-year time jump, meaning our favorite characters are no longer high school kids but adults facing the harsh realities of life. The story is being described as a film noir with heavy themes of identity, corruption and survival. Imagine Rue, Jules, Nate, Cassie and Maddie navigating adult problems, more dilemmas and dangerous choices that go far beyond teenage drama. Zendaya, Hunter Schafer, Jacob Elordi, Sydney Sweeney, Alexa, Eric and Coleman Domingo are all returning, but sad some beloved characters won't be the part of this journey. Fesco, Kat and Gia's storylines are no longer continuing, leaving fans emotional and curious about how their absence will be explained. On the flip side, new faces are stepping into the spotlight with Rosalia Sharon Stone, Marshawn Lynch and several other big names joining the cast, making this season more unpredictable than ever. Sydney Sweeney has already teased that season 3 is going to be even more unhinged than before, meaning the intensity is about to skyrocket. With filming officially underway, Los Angeles and 8 episodes locked in, all eyes are on its expected early 2026 premiere. But here's the kicker. HBO insiders are hinting that this could actually be the final season of Euphoria, and if that's true, you know the creators are planning to go out with the most explosive and unforgettable storyline yet. So the question is, are you ready to see your favorite characters all grown up facing the darkest chapter of their lives? Because Euphoria season 3 isn't just coming back, it's coming back with a bang. Season 3 of Euphoria is shaping up to be an unforgettable ride packed with emotions, betrayals and moments that will leave you speechless. Which storyline are you more excited to see unfold? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting updates. This is Primeflix TV bringing you the best from the world of entertainment. See you in the next video.